Sanibonani, namhlanje ngithe anginiphathela ama-product akwa-Nutrilite, ama-product ale season, njengoba kuyisizini yomkhuhlane. So nginama-product awu-3 which are very very important njengoba kushintsha isizini. So njengamanje ngicela ukuqala ngale product. This is Nutrilite garlic, phakathi u-120. So siyawudinga as a family. Right, bese kuba khona nansi enye product number 2 which is Nutrilite vitamin C. Right, nansi enye product futhi number 3 which is Nutrilite, or let me go back, Nutrilite vitamin C phakathi u-60. Right, bese ngiza ku Nutrilite vitamin D phakathi ungu-90. So ngicela osho ifamily yawudinga, siyawudinga as a family, umkhuhlane ukhona. So ukuyivikela, let us have these Nutrilite products. Ngiyabonga.